This is the second lesson of a set of 3 videos. If you haven't watched the previous video, click above or below where it appears, I don't know exactly, but watch the previous lesson before watching this one. We're going to talk about the numbers again from 20 to 61 with the spelling, not the actual writing, because as I said the last week, the spelling might be a bit confusing and I don't want you to be overwhelmed with all this, so focus on the pronunciation only for the moment, and when you're okay with the pronunciation you can take a look at the actual spelling. Before we start, if you're learning French, I recommend you to download this free practical guide to easily learn French. You can have it by clicking on the link below this video. Let's get started with the numbers from 20 to 69. So we saw the last week that 20 was 20. 21, 21. So between 20 and 1, we add E. 21. But for the other numbers, we don't add E. So you say 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 for 30. Most of the time, when an English number ends in T, like 30, 40, 50, in French it ends in ant, like 30. 31, you see, with 1 we add the word et, that means and, so 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, and 41, then 42, 43, 44, and so on until 50. 50 will be 50, 50, 51, 51, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, and so on until 60. 60, 60, 60, 61, 61, 62, 63, and so on until 69, 69. So the next week will be the third and last lesson for the numbers. You can practice with self-correcting activities below this video. And if you like this lesson, please like, share and subscribe. It will be the best way to encourage me. See you soon, à bientôt, or I should say see you next week, à la semaine prochaine, and take care, bye bye.